got stuck in the water. This other guy in the white car comes to push him out. He was in the water for a while though. So somebody helped him out, you know. It's flooded over here. I mean, the water is not that deep, so I don't know how he got stuck inside. But let me see if I get closer. Man, it's always out. Okay, push it, push. You got it, man. I thought it was gonna be a towing truck to come get him out, but it seemed like the civilians are helping each other out. Look at that. Nice work, man. I'll try my best not to get stuck in puddles, man.